On Saturday morning, I took the train to Winchester. I've never been to Winchester, at least I don't remember being there. But it's that where Lee and Dean live, near there anyway. And I went to see the two Clowes. Clowes? It's a bit like Bowie. I can't remember which one I used. But anyway, some lovely chap has collected all of Sue Clowes' clothing since the beginning of the 80s, and they put on a little exhibition. And it was really cute because I'm so everywhere in there. Here we are in Winchester, la 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 la.
Manchester, did you say?
Winchester, Manchester. It's here. It's here. I haven't seen Sue for God knows how long. I'm over 30 years, if not more. And weirdly, I only found out a couple of years ago that Johnny Slat came into the foundry when I was working there and asked me for a job. And I was like, I better got a job myself. Why don't you go and see Sue Clowes? Anyway, so Johnny went and worked with Sue for years. Never thanked me. That's nice, that grey one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looking around here, I can see the clothes are quite simple, you know, and you can print on clothing and bring it to life, but it's about what's printed, why it was printed, when it was done. The context is so important when you're looking at something like this, because there's lots of printed clothes in the world, but it was about the kind of social attitude of the times. You know, we just come out of punk rock. There was a kind of optimism, but also a cynicism, which is deeply British. And, you know, everything is about the context, you know, where it takes you, what it makes you feel. It's all about your kind of personal imagination, whether something is important or not.
Did I take this out of context? Eyes fixed on the ceiling, text me till I'm seething.
Did I take this out of context? My teeth. The collection is by a guy called Mikey. I've seen pictures of him and I don't remember him from back in the day because I've normally got quite a good memory for faces. But anyway, he looks like a person from that time. After the exhibition, we went and had a cup of coffee and a slice of carrot cake. We won't say where we went, but at least the carrot cake was bad. Too much baking powder. Well, he bakes, so I'm sure he knows. On the way back, I had to use the men's toilet on platform 1 at Winchester Station, and I tell you what, it was filthy. Absolutely. Come on, guys. It wasn't just messy, it was a disease pit. There were delays on the way back, but, you know, it was cool. It took about 2 hours to get back to London. But I was really pleased that I saw it, and obviously nobody there knew it was me, and I was wandering around enjoying it in peace, which was great. And yeah, I think someone should bring it to London. Hello. I do like the train though. I mean, not really long train journeys, but I like a sort of 2-hour train journey, looking out the window, you know, doing a bit of reading, doing some breath work. Time to let go.